when the camera goes on, I get...
She's so weird.
Why'd you shut up?
Hey, where's my bicycle chain? I can't go anywhere without my bicycle chain. Mom said you used it in your hair.
Mom said that if you can't take care of anything, then don't take care of anything.
Hey, that didn't even make sense. Right?
You don't make sense. You're ugly.
What?
Your teeth look ridiculous.
What? Hey, watch this. It's like in the movies. Watch. Hey, you talking to me? Isn't that good? I'm a ventriloquist. Hey, wait,
cool.
sister. What movie is this from? Ready? Listen. Hey, here we go. Ba bum. Ba bum. Come on with the movie. Come on, tell me. What is it?
I know. Piranha.
Hey!
Jaws.
Oh yeah, Piranha. That was it.
Jaws.
What?
Jaws.
Piranha Jaws.
Anyways, where's my friend Ashley? You wanted me? Oh, guess what?
What?
I got this friend named Ashley that thinks you're hot.
What? My jaw really hurts right now. Good gracious.
My hand hurts
Come on.
I feel faint.
I think I'm getting rigor mortis in the face.
Yo. Want to rap?
What?
Let's rap. Let's rap.
What?
Let's rap.
What, presents? What are we talking about rapping? Yo.
Once upon a time, we
What?
were New York City.
City.
No, you finish the next sentence.
Oh.
You ready? Once upon a time, we were New York City.
We were really looking kind of
Pretty.
Yeah, pretty.
So we thought we'd rap with those kids on the street.
On the street, and boy, let me tell you.
We got some beat.
We got some beat. God, we're like the whitest rappers ever. Oh, we're like blue and orange. My jaw is killing me. You know what? The next song. Okay, here we go. I got a better idea. Ready? We're gonna rap this way. Here we go.
Okay. That's stupid. This is stupid. Hey, there's that stupid Cinderella girl.
Hey!
She's gonna say, "Oh my God,
Yeah,
have you heard about Cinderella?"
She did that before the other day. It was like, that's all she could say is, oh my gosh. And then she whacked me in the head with her nose. Hey, see, that's all she can say.
She pictured a seagull.
I think she learned how to talk on a roller coaster.
You don't need me talking, Mr. Green Hair!
Your hair is a mess. I told you to leave the net on.
You don't need me talking, Mrs. Fathead.
Ooh, fathead.
Oh, I'm shaking. That was so frightening.
Mr. Butterhair!
Why'd you go make a cake?
No!
Pie.
Have you know?
Look at your face. Your hair's in it.
Booger hair.
Do you know?
You got a hand up your butt. Call me booger hair.
Well, you don't need me talking.
It's not
Do you
booger hair.
know the news about Cinderella? She keeps losing every shoe I give her.
Hey, I have you know.
Go away.
I just hate Cinderella.
This is ridiculous.
This is apricot
Oh my gosh, I'm
shampoo.
trying to talk.
so annoying too.
No, I'm not.
No one's listening to
Hey,
la,
hey,
la, la, la,
hey,
la.
watch. Hey,
La,
sister,
la, la,
sister,
la,
watch.
la.
Hey, sister, watch this.
La la la.
La la la.
What?
Watch. Let me tell you, this will really annoy her. Watch. Blah. Blah. Blah.
Oh, you're annoying.
Blah.
I'm done.
Let's just, hey,
What?
an idea, come here.
What? Hey, I like your nose, by the way.
What you doing?
2.
What comes after 2?
1.
What are we doing? Oh, okay. 1, 2. Hey,
Hand up your butt. You're calling me butterhair. That's weird.
Okay, that's it.
Funny.
Say goodbye.
Oh, my hand.